First thing you're going to need is System.io account, which is completely free to create, no credit card required. You can use the link below this video to create your own account. Once you have your own account created, you need to set up a payment processor so you are able to receive payments from your customers. To do that, navigate to Settings and go to Payment Gateways. Here you are able to use multiple payment processors like Stripe, PayPal. If you need to know how to connect your payment processor, definitely go and check this video. It's super simple. It will take you less than 2 minutes and you are ready to go. After that, you can move on to the next step. And the next step would be creating your sales funnel or your landing page. Because if you don't have a landing page or sales funnel, you are not able to market and sell your product. So go to Sites and go to Sales Funnels. Here, click on Create and name your funnel. I will name it just Sales Funnel. Here you can select your domain and you have 4 options you can choose: build an audience, sell, custom, run an evergreen webinar. We want to sell our product, so I will select sell. Here you can select the currency you want to use. I will keep it in euros, but you can select dollars, whatever you want, and click on save. Now our funnel is created and we can start to building and modifying to our own. So click on sales funnel. And as you can see, in this left sidebar, we have 2 pages: order form and thank you page. What I would suggest to you is to add one additional step, one additional page, and that would be a sales page, so you can increase your conversions and people know what they are buying actually. So click on add step, name sales page, and select type sales page. Click on save. And now the sales page is the 3rd step in the funnel, but we need this to be the 1st step. So click on it and drag it up. Now our sales funnel is sales page, next step is order form, and the last step is thank you page. Now for the sales page, you can select pre-made templates by System.io. After you select your template, you can of course modify it to your own. So I would select this one, for example. You can preview the template to make sure you like it. So I will click on select and the template was selected. Now, before we start customizing the page itself, make sure to check the URL path and make it something that makes sense, like your domain / sales page or your product name, whatever you want. Now we can start customizing the page by clicking on edit page. So click on edit page. If you watched any of my previous videos, you know that System.io is drag and drop editor. You don't have to know how to code or anything. Just click on the element and customize it however you want. In this case, let's say we are selling like PDF digital marketing blueprint. So you can change the headline to get your digital marketing blueprint. Of course, you can change the font if you want to. In this left sidebar, you have all the options you can modify with every element. So you can change it to, I don't know, Poppins if you want to. And this is how you modify every element on the sales page. So you can really customize it to your needs. If you want to delete anything, you just click on the trash icon and the element will be deleted. It's super simple and it will save you a lot of time to create sales funnels with System.io, and it's completely free. We can also change the image of our product. So click on the image and here you can upload your own. So click on this and click to upload. and click on insert. Now, if you don't like the size of the image, you can decrease or increase the size here. And the last step I would do is to definitely check the call to action button, because call to action button is the element that says what should happen next. And in our case, if somebody clicks on buy the book, action when button clicked is next step URL. So they will be taken to the next page in our sales funnel, which is the order form. So here we are done and we can click on save. Exit page. So as we are done with our sales page, we can move on to the next step, which is order form. So click on the order form. And again, we can or we should select a template we want to use. So we want to find something that would visually fit or match to our sales page. So we can go through the templates. And I believe this one is exactly related to our sales page. So I will select this template. And again, before we do anything else, we should change the URL path. So I would change this to the order form, for example. Right, before we start editing our order form, we should scroll down a bit and select which offer type we are selling. We can either sell digital product or physical product. In our case, we know we are selling some sort of PDF or digital product, so we will select a digital product. And now we need to name the product, so we will click on this icon and name the product Digital Marketing Blueprint. And we can also add price plans, or we need to add price plans. So click here and we want one-time payment. You can also select subscription in case you're selling some sort of community or subscription-based product or a different payment plan. So I will select one-time payment. And for that, we need to create a price plan. So click here, create a new one. You need to name it somehow. So again, Digital Marketing Blueprint. You can copy this here. Here you need to set up statement descriptor, which is basically what the buyers will see in their bank statement. So you can either use your brand name or the product name. It's up to you. So we have one-time payment, and now we need to set up the amount. I would do, for example, 20 euros. Maybe you are in dollars. That's up to you. Once we're done here, we can click on save. So we have our digital product name and we have our price plan. So click save. And now we can also add a coupon. You know the coupons, you get them every day in marketing emails, like 30% off, 50% off. They're mostly for discounts. So to add a coupon, click on the plus. Discount type, you can either do fixed amount like $20 or you can do percentage discount. We don't have a coupon created yet, so we need to create one, the same as we did with the price plan. So create a new one. Coupon name, I would do off 100 because we will be giving 100% discount. Coupon code off 100, discount type, percentage discount. Discount amount, I would select 100, like 100%. You can also set up expiration or limit of use. So either the coupon could be available like for 10 days or for example, for 10 people only. It's up to you. So our coupon is done. We can click on save. And now we can move on to editing our order form. So click on the edit page. And as you can see, it's pretty normal, pretty usual order form. We just need to change the images for our product. So replace them, also replace this image. Again, in this left sidebar, just either upload your own or select images you have uploaded in your System.io account. Click on insert. You can play again with the size and everything so it looks better. And here we have the order form itself. You can add rows, you can delete them, or fields. I definitely don't need this one, so I will delete this one. I don't even want them to fill out company name, tax number. I only want first name, last name, email. I will delete even the phone, but this is up to you. And here we have a payment method because we connected a PayPal. So there's a PayPal, you can use Stripe, you can use others. As I said, there's a video on this channel how to set this up. And we have Buy Now button. You can change the text if you want. Again, in this left sidebar, there's everything you can do with each element you click on. Now we are done with the order form. If someone click the buy button and they make the purchase, they will be taken to the thank you page, which is next step we should set up. So for now, we can save this and exit the page. All right, now we have our sales page and we have our order form done. And now we should move on to the thank you page, and also we should set up how we will deliver our product to our customers. So first thing, navigate to the left sidebar and click on the thank you page. Now again, you can select from pre-made templates. I will find the one that fits to our sales page and our order form. It's pretty critical to have some sort of visual similarity between those pages so the people don't get confused. I then feel like all of this is somehow connected together. So select, again change the URL, thank you, and now we can start editing our thank you page. So click on edit page. As you can see, thank you, your copy of the ebook is being picked up right now. Now what we can do, first thing, I would again change the image. Of course, you can change all the text, the headline to really fit to your product. There are two ways how we can deliver our product. First one is here on the thank you page where we can put a download link for our product. And the second one is delivering by email after the purchase. I will show you both. So let's start with the download link. So click on the call to action button. We can change the text. Download your ebook. And now what we can do is action when button clicked, there's setup to show pop-up. That's something we don't want. We want download file. So select download file and select the file we want them to be able to download and choose your file, your PDF, your video. It's up to you. Click on insert. Now we have a download file set up when somebody click on this button. I would say this is enough for the thank you page, so we can save and exit the page. And now we will set up an email campaign to deliver the product. So we will have two options of the delivery, the download, and the email campaign. Go to emails, campaigns, create a new one, name it Digital Marketing Blueprint, sender email address. You need to set up your own custom email to be able to send email campaigns. If you don't know how to do it, there's a video on this channel how to connect a custom email. Click on save. And now our campaign was created. So click on the name of the campaign and we can start creating our email. Click on create. Subject would be your download is ready, for example, sender name would be your brand, your name, that's up to you, and sender email address would be the one that we set up when we were creating the campaign. Click on save, and we were taken to simple and very useful email editor. So we have our subject already. We can move on to the body. We can say, hey, thank you for purchase. Here's your ebook. And here we can put link to the file. For example, we can put link to Google Docs, OneDrive, Dropbox, wherever you upload your file. If you would like to add the link to download, just click here, add the link, confirm it, and you are done. Now, once our email is done, we can go here and save and publish. And here you can select a delay before sending email. It can be set up in days, hours, minutes. I will keep it at 0 so the email is sent immediately after the purchase. Also, there's other option like this email will be sent after. This is in case you have an email sequence of, let's say, of 4 emails. So here you will also select the email that's triggering the sending of the another. But for now, we can click on activate just to make sure, click on save, and we can exit the email editor. So now we have our campaign set up, and now we need to set up the automation. We need to set up the trigger. So once somebody purchases our product, the email is sent out automatically. To do that, navigate back to sales funnels. Click on our sales funnel and go to the order form. Now go to the automation rules and click on add rule. Now we have trigger and we have action. First thing we need to set up is the trigger. So the trigger would be a new sale occurs when a customer makes a purchase. So select a new sale, and now we need to select an action. So go to action and select subscribe to a campaign. That means once somebody makes a purchase, they automatically subscribe to our email campaign, and choose the campaign. In our case, it's Digital Marketing Blueprint. Click on this, click on Save Rule, and now we should be set up and we can test out our funnel. So go to Sales page, click on View Funnel, and as you can see, we were taken to our sales page, which is the first page of our funnel. So we can try to buy the book. So click on Buy the book, and we were taken to the order form. We can see that the price is 20 euros as we set up. So we should fill out this form and try to buy it. So let's fill out the form. For example, John, click where is it? Email address. And yes, we also set up a coupon, so we have 100% discount. So let's try it. Off 100, click on apply. And we are saving 100% as you can see here. So the total is 0 euros. And we can click on buy now. And we were taken to our thank you page. As we set up before, we have our thank you page and we have our download link for the product. And we should also receive it by email because we set up an email campaign. So let's try to download it. And we were taken to the product itself and we can download it here. So everything works as it should. Now we should go to the email and check if we receive it by email. From what I can see, it seems like we received the email that we set up in our email campaign. Here you can see the subject that we selected. Your download is ready. We can open the email, and here would be the download link if you would set it up, if you would upload the file to Google Drive, Dropbox, wherever. So guys, that's it for this tutorial. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.